What is up, everybody? I'm gonna try something a little bit different from my typical listing videos. Y'all are actually gonna get to see me with the tour here. So, I'm in Denham Springs at my friend Kayla's listing. This place, y'all gotta see this. The yard is massive. This front yard, gated. The house here, Acadian style, massive front porch. 5-bed, 5.5 bathrooms, over 5,000 square feet of living area, 5032 to be exact. So let's get in here and take a look. Oh man. Pretty. Fireplace living area, dining, foyer area. That's a beautiful wood. Beams up top. Take a look at that. Man. I see brick in the kitchen areas, but we'll step back here first. Take a look. Alright, laundry room. Tiled sink, a lot of storage. We've got some extra bedrooms back here. This bedroom. Closet. So we're gonna have a shared bathroom here. Take a look at what we got going on in here. Granite counters, nice fixtures. Bathtub. Yeah, separate sink area over here. Closet. My apologies, y'all. This is not going to track me very well. I'll do my best to stay in the frame, though. Oh, nice. I got one of the front porch French doors. Go into this room as well. Excuse my voice as well. Been a little bit under the weather, a little bit nasally, but we're gonna make it work. Nice built-ins. Looks like gas logs. Alright. Heading back to the primary. Oh, look how big this primary is. I have to check the measurements. I mean, this room is probably 25 feet long by 17 wide. If I were to guess, I mean, just to give you an idea of the space, look how spread out those fans are. That's the length of the primary, my goodness. Looks like we got 2 connected bathroom accesses. We'll head this way first. Tiled. Pretty colors, I like that. Got a water closet right here, shower. Let's check out the shower. Oh, okay, so we got access from the other side too. So this is a shared shower. Tub. Love this glass. Can't tell if that's etched, wet, but very nice. Ooh, you ladies are gonna love this closet. It's like a department store. All the shelves, hanging areas. Goodness gracious. Alright, we'll come around to the other side of the bathroom. Alright, very similar sink setup. Again, please excuse my sniffling. We got a little bit of storage. Shower entrance. And yep, another toilet over here. Water closet, as we'll call it. Also have back deck access. We won't open the door yet, but we'll take a peek. Beautiful outdoor area. I can't wait to show you all this. Sneak peek. I can tell there's a pool back there as well. All right. Let's head to the kitchen area. Check out what we got going on there. Again, we got French doors in the back here. You can see access to the back porch and pool. So there's an outdoor kitchen. I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, got breakfast table area. Nice little light fixture. Back up so y'all can see it all. How about y'all? Love all this wood color in here. Right, got a gas range. A lot of storage, a lot of counter space. More than most of us would probably need. All right, huge pantry area too. A lot of natural light coming in. So it looks like we got space for another refrigerator, as well as ice, wine chiller, other drinks. I saw this recently at a house. We got dual dishwashers. Let's take a look. All right, yep, there's one. Yes. That is outside of my personal tax bracket, but I like to see it. People that can get the two dishwashers. All right, a little separate living area. I love the wood ceiling. So pretty. All right, we got a stairwell. Hallway. What else we got? Right, got a half bath right here, and looks like we got a mudroom area to the garage. Take a quick peek in there. Go ahead and tell y'all it's a 2-car garage. It's got my truck and a golf cart in it right now. See the door over there. There's another storage garage door outside too. So it looks like a three vehicle garage from the outside. Again, this is on Perkins Road in Denham Springs, Louisiana. Right now, the list price is $1.1 million, but you are getting a whole lot of house for it. So this is all over the garage. Man, a nice bonus room area. Huge. A lot of natural light coming in too, y'all can see. So we're looking the backyard pool area. We got a bedroom and a bathroom. All right, full bath right here. Got some carpet downstairs, but no carpet up here. Bedroom here. Let's see what else we got. Again, I know I've apologized like 3 times already, but I'm so sorry for the sniffles, y'all. Oh, it's a massive closet. Ton of space here. Like me, you can never have enough space. Oh man, looks like another bedroom. Open area. And a full bath. Jeez. If y'all have made it this far in the video, I would love to know in the comments what you would do with all this space if this is your home. All right, heading downstairs. Time to head outside. I know y'all are really gonna love this. So this is one of 3, I think I counted, ways to get to the back. Look at that gorgeous pool. This gorgeous outdoor area. Look at the ceiling. Modern lights and fans going. Got an outdoor fireplace over here. Gosh, this is an entertainer's dream. Imagine having birthday parties or any other kind of gatherings out here. Gorgeous pool spa area. Love this tile out here. What we got over here? We got another TV. Got an island. I don't see a lot of islands in outdoor kitchens. That's nice. Got some refrigeration, some burners, sink, smoker area. I mentioned before how big the front yard is. You got to see this backyard. So this is just the fenced-in part of the backyard. The rear elevation of the house. Y'all, all this is part of the property too. Look at that. I mean, that pond itself is probably at least an acre. Got a little deck area built out over it. Do a lot of stuff, and all this is fenced too. All this is fenced. All right, so let's see what we got back here. Oh, hey everyone! Not that you hadn't seen me already, but see me in the mirror there. Got the outdoor pool bathroom. Got another door here too. What we got? Oh, a little bit darker in here. Oh, nice. This is all concrete floor. Pool table area. And I got some nice decor here. Check out the fleur-de-lis in the floor. Alrighty. Guys, that's it for the house tour. We're gonna close out the video with a little bit of drone shots of the house. I appreciate y'all sticking around this long. If you have any questions, give me a call. Have a good one, everyone.